Good study and learning habits. Hi there. Want to learn better and have fun? In this lesson, we'll explore easy study habits that help you focus, enjoy learning, and grow smarter every day. Let's dive in. Listening to teachers and parents. Listening when your teacher or parents talk helps you learn. Keeping books and toys neat. Putting books and toys back in their place keeps things tidy. Completing homework on time. Finish your homework on time to stay on track with learning. Asking questions to learn new things. Ask questions if you want to learn more about something. Reading storybooks every day. Reading a storybook every day helps you become a better reader. Taking breaks while studying. Take a break when studying to rest your brain. Using pictures to learn. Looking at pictures helps you remember things better. Practicing what you learn. Practice helps you remember and get better at what you've learned. Staying focused when studying. Pay attention when you study to learn more. Asking for help when you need it. Ask for help if something is hard to understand. Reading aloud to yourself. Reading out loud helps you learn and remember better. Sleeping well so you can learn. Sleeping helps you wake up fresh and ready to learn. Using a homework notebook. Writing down homework in a notebook helps you remember it. Saying thank you for help. Saying thank you when someone helps you shows kindness. Watching fun learning videos. Watching videos helps you learn new things in a fun way. Keeping your study space clean. A clean study space helps you focus and learn better. Taking small breaks during study time. Short breaks during study time help you feel refreshed. Learning something new every day. Try to learn something new each day to grow smarter. Being happy while learning. Having fun while learning makes it easier and more enjoyable. Playing educational games. Playing games helps you learn while having fun.